So guys, in today's video of Python Dsa, I am telling you about the solution. Okay, the solution I am telling you about. So let me go to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So this video is about the solution. Okay, so let's know about the solution. Like you are saying, you are uploading a video about the solution again and again, but like I start one chapter, so the one chapter has another solution. Like I've told you, like let me go on my channel, let me open my YouTube and let me go on my code with PK channel. Then when I go on to my code with PK channel, let me open it. So now let's our first chapter has been where is like announcement of sorting algorithms, and then problem, then method, then custom comparison, then solution. Okay, this type of one method is starting. So this video is about the solution. First, state the problem clearly, then identify the input and output formats like this one and problem. First of all, like let me give one example, like this one problem. This is a comment. So this is a problem. So first of all, you identify the input and output formula. Let me identify. First you identify that, like now I identify. So now then I identify the output. Now then I identify the output of that. This is a comment, right? Yes. So like that. While this problem is stated clearly enough, it's always useful to try and express in your own words in a way that makes it most clear for you. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video, I tell you about the solution. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share a friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now, if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please tell your friends to this course about too. So now I meet you next class, and please check my whole playlist. If you do not check my whole playlist yet, so move on to the codewith.com or my codewithpk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.